Okay, so I'm going to make an effects wheel. The situation we're studying is deforestation, so I'm going to go ahead and put deforestation in the center. And the first thing I would ask a student for is, what are some effects of deforestation? And I'm going to take any answer, so I'm just going to place student here. Deforestation, there is a loss of rainforest, obviously. And also with deforestation, there is climate change. And it doesn't have to be two effects. So we can take deforestation, and if a student says, well, we also get the lumber for houses, then we can go ahead and put lumber for homes over here. All right, then we take each one of those effects and we say, okay, well, what are the effects of those? And we extend it out. So climate change, what happens? Well, we might say polar bears lose their glacier, what's a polar bear habitat. So they lose some of their habitat, makes it harder for them to survive. We might also say with the climate change, we get warmer, more simple, just get warmer over all seasons. We might also say with the climate change, other habitats are affected, and that would be directly from the expedition that we just saw. So we might also say Venice is sinking. Okay. And we do the same thing all around. Now I'm going to take this one out to extend it to the next level, which is why I put it on a big old paper here, so you could go as far as you want. You could say, okay, well, if the polar bears lose their habitats, what happens? Okay, well, they might die off. Another thing that might happen is their prey may increase depending on how much you've covered this ecosystem and the relationships between the prey and the predator. You might say, well, their prey increases. You might come over and you might say, well, climate change, if it's warmer overall, what are the effects of that? You might say, well, we get to wear shorts. Or we might have, manufacturers of shorts making more money. Okay, super. Might also say, well, we're going to have polar ice caps melting. And I'm saying that because, again, you don't evaluate these. Kids just kind of brainstorm and they go out as far as they want. Now, another extension of this, which is kind of nice, is once they've filled all of this in, you might also say, okay, now I want you to circle what are positive in your opinion. So you might say, well, it's nice if these guys make more money. You might say it's nice if we have more homes. And then maybe you take a different color or some other type of marker and you say, all right, what are the negatives? You might say, well, it's not good to lose our rainforest. It's not good if polar bears are gone. It's not good if Venice sinks. All right. And basically what you get are the positive and negative effects of any situation.